My name is Elizabeth Govig. I am a third-year law student here at the University of Tulsa. Roughly a year ago, in March of 2018, Professor Carpenter went and met with the Court Clerks Association of Oklahoma and asked them, what do you need for access to justice issues? And their response was, we need guardianship forms. That's their area of highest need. They also spoke of other areas, especially eviction. They need more resources within eviction, but their most heart-wrenching cases are guardianships, they said. And so I had been in her clinic at that point in time, and she approached me about this project that I've been doing to create court forms for the minor guardianship process from petition to completion. It's actually the first of its kind in Oklahoma. We do have one other set of pro se court forms. They're the protective order forms. However, they are designed more by the legislature and less with the current best practices that we have in mind. They're wonderful, they're great, they can be improved. So the difference between those forms and my forms are that mine are designed to be used by pro se litigants from the very beginning to the end with what we know as best practices today. The biggest thing about the new forms and why they're such a big improvement and why that improvement is so important is that literacy is a lot lower than we think it is. We know that the average person in America reads at an 8th grade level. When you isolate that data down to for income, you get down to a 5th grade level, and then when you throw in a highly stressful event like, say, getting guardianship of your grandkids, it drops even lower to a 3rd grade level. So the new forms account for literacy, and so they're written for a 5th grade level or lower. Wherever there has to be quote-unquote legalese, there's like a cheat sheet right to the right next to the word, there's the plain language definition written at a 5th grade level. And then the biggest, most important change is that they're written as a checklist. I'd like to give a massive thank you to Professor Carpenter, for opening all these doors. She's an incredible asset to the community. And then also to Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma, who's been my technical client, and Michael Figgins, their executive director, as well as April Merrill, who has been my point person, and she's really been, I've met with her every other week since August, and she's really been able to offer me a lot of assistance, a lot of drop-ins, and I really appreciate her and LASSO's support.